Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have a bed cover for a 2004 Ford F-250. I'm gonna put it on, let's see how easy it is. We have brackets, side rails, and the cover. From the instructions, we need to open this up so we can put the side rails and clamp it to the bed. Once I get that done on both sides, I'm gonna clamp it down on the end. This is the clamps. I'm not gonna get them really tight because I need to make sure that it closes all the way, everything is straight. So this one with the little cutout goes inside. This one is gonna go right here, and we'll put the screw in the middle. I had to put 3 on each side. I have all 3 on both sides. Not completely secure. Same thing on the other side. On this side, I already put it in. Make sure that once it goes in, get those screws tight. On the other side, it doesn't fit, so we can remove it, the screw in the inside, and let's try to adjust it. If it doesn't work, we need to open this up. Okay, it went in now. Goes in. Now we can get this screw tight so it doesn't move. We have everything in place. Really easy to put this bed cover, as you can see, just with clamps, and it's really practical. And because my friend wants this one that you can roll and put it all the way to the back, it's just practical. Once you have everything in place, these ones are the ones that are gonna lock the bed. Okay, to lock it in place, put it right there inside. Same thing on the other side. Push it down, and it locks in place. Now here for the end, it has Velcro. Look how good it looks now. 3 clamps on each side. Make sure that you put them straight. And I had to get them loose a little bit so I can push the rails to the outside. Now this bed is locked in place. If you need to open it, you have the strap in here. Pull it, and it's gonna release the locks. And same thing for closing. I can do it with one hand. Go to the corners, locks in place. There you go. And like that, we cover the bed. Make sure that you measure your bed. I believe this is 6 feet 8 or 7 inches, almost 7 feet, and if you can see, covers everything really well. And if you need to open the cover, lock it in place in here, and it doesn't go anywhere. Okay guys, I leave you with that. Really simple and easy installation for the truck bed cover. I'm gonna put the link in the description for this one. And I hope you like this little episode, guys. Link is gonna be in the description. And if you have questions, please let me know. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.